Hook, have you ever wondered how to bridge the gap between the digital world of cryptocurrencies and the real-world financial system? Well, today, we're diving into one of the most popular platforms for doing just that, Kraken. Specifically, we'll be exploring how to deposit Bitcoins on Kraken. Context: imagine you've just mined your first Bitcoin, or perhaps you've purchased some from a cryptocurrency exchange. Now, you want to store it securely and access it when needed. That's where Kraken comes in. It's a trusted platform that offers a variety of services, including buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Step-by-step guide. Creating a Kraken account. The first step is to create a Kraken account. Head over to the Kraken website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to provide your email address, create a strong password, and agree to their terms of service. Verifying your identity. To ensure security, Kraken requires you to verify your identity. This process usually involves providing identification documents such as a passport or driver's license. Once verified, you'll be able to access the full range of Kraken's features. Funding your Kraken account. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Kraken offers various funding methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and cryptocurrency deposits. For this tutorial, we'll focus on depositing Bitcoins. Depositing Bitcoins. Bitcoin address. The first thing you'll need is your Bitcoin address. This is a unique alphanumeric code that identifies your Kraken account. You can find it by logging into your account and navigating to the funding section. Sending Bitcoins. Once you have your Bitcoin address, you'll need to transfer your Bitcoins from your Bitcoin wallet to this address. The process is similar to sending money from one bank account to another. Simply enter the Kraken Bitcoin address into your wallet's send or transfer function and confirm the transaction. Waiting for confirmation. After sending your Bitcoins, you'll need to wait for the transaction to be confirmed on the Bitcoin blockchain. This process can take a few minutes or even hours, depending on network congestion. Checking your balance. Once your Bitcoin deposit is confirmed, you'll be able to see your balance reflected in your Kraken account. You can now use your Bitcoins to trade other cryptocurrencies, purchase goods and services, or simply hold them for investment. Additional tips. Security best practices. Always prioritize security when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing scams. Fees. Kraken charges fees for various services, including deposits, withdrawals, and trading. It's important to understand these fees before using the platform. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions, Kraken offers customer support to assist you. You can contact their support team through their website or social media channels. Conclusion. Depositing Bitcoins on Kraken is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you can securely store and manage your Bitcoins on one of the most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges in the industry. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.